What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of the vlog. Today we're gonna adjust the suspension on the TSX because right now it's actually lopsided. I never paid much attention to it, but since the car is actually on and running, gives me a little bit more motivation to work on the car. So today we're gonna put the visors on, and we're also gonna adjust the suspension. But first we gotta go to AutoZone, get our battery charged, because since I kept turning on and turning off the car before, the battery never charged. So we're gonna go take the battery now to get charged, wait there a little bit, meet Jay, give him some injectors that he's doing for his build. Damn, look who showed up. Look at this guy. I'm being followed by the Mini. Can I help you? Diablo, esto está. I can't visit Robin. He's gonna let me get these headlights for the TSX since my shit doesn't have any. He's looking it up. And the bumper I need, but he doesn't want to give it to me now. Look at that ugly ass nigga right there. Alright, so we just left Robin's house. Robin, you my mans, my nigga. I appreciate that, what you did. Robin hooked me up with his headlights off his TSX because my TSX didn't have any headlights. And literally, I appreciate that, bro. Tú sabes que te voy a echar ese bumper que tú tienes. He has a bumper, he doesn't want to give it to me. He has an 06 bumper that needs some work, but I told him I'll take it either way. But we just left his house. We went to AutoZone. We dropped off parts for Jay for his EG hatch that he's building. And we picked up a brand new battery for the TSX, so hopefully it'll turn on today because it didn't want to turn on last night. But hopefully it turns on today because the battery that it had was testing bad. So before we get back to the garage and start working on the TSX and start cleaning up the garage, I'm gonna stop at Harbor Freight and buy some trash bags, and I forgot what else I gotta buy, but I gotta buy one more thing at Harbor Freight, and I gotta get something to eat because I haven't eaten anything all day. But yeah, I'll catch you guys when I get back to the garage. Just brought this bad boy outside right now. I'm still having little issues with the clutch. Overnight it loses a lot of pressure, and I gotta build it up again in the morning. Every time I get on, I gotta pump the clutch so the clutch can build pressure again. But brought it out. No issues. It was the battery that was bad. Put a new battery on right now. It took a little bit to start, but it started right up. Let it warm up a little bit. No issues at all. Well, besides the boost leak that I'm having right now, but that's pretty much it. Car's actually performing well, doing good so far. But yeah, we're gonna go and clean up this garage. It's a terrible mess in here from all the work that I've been doing on the Accord and on the TSX for the past few weeks. I'll show you guys a little bit, so you guys see a little before and after when the garage is done, blah blah. Look at this. Man, you can barely see it. There you go. Look how terrible this looks. Jesus, man. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna clean up the garage real quick, and then once I clean up the garage, I'll bring the TSX back in. We're gonna be putting the headlights that I got from Robin. Robin, once again, Oye, de lo mío. I appreciate what you did for me. All right, so we cleaned up as much as we could. Still got some things to move out the way, but it's a big difference from before. It's only been like 3 hours, 4 hours, I don't know exactly. Nice and clean now. Let me get this little corner so you guys can see. But yeah. Alright, so we're gonna bring the TSX in now and put the headlights on, do what we gotta do, and call it a day. Probably going out later to eat, to Smoky Bones, and I'll probably catch you guys when I'm there. Alright guys, so today was a successful day. We got the garage cleaned up, the car, we did some progress on it. Instead of doing the suspension, I did the headlights that I got from Robin. Una vez más loco, you my nigga. I got the headlights from him, we got those installed. We put the visors on, and pretty much that was it. Besides the fact that we had an epic fail like 2 minutes ago. I wanted to take my girl for a ride in the block in the car. It didn't go well. The car started sputtering and sputtering and sputtering, shooting flames, too much fuel in the car, and it wouldn't shut off, so I had to like force it here, and we put it back in the garage. Like, we parked it back there. But honestly, today was a successful day. I'm getting ready to go take a shower, get ready to take my girl out to eat. And I promised her from Valentine's Day, so I'm gonna go do that now, and I'll catch you guys when we get to the restaurant. Alright guys, so we're all here at Smoky Bones. We got somebody over here playing with the camera. You guys can't see her, but I brought her out to eat because of Valentine's Day. Since I was at school, I couldn't take her out, so I took her out today. But I wish I could. Let me see. Hold on. There we go. Okay. Alright, she was playing with the camera. But yeah, today went good. We did almost everything we had to do. Not completely, but almost everything. Like I showed you guys in the previous video, we kind of did get stuck with the TSX. We decided to go for a test drive. It didn't go so well. But yeah, overall everything went good. We did almost everything we had to do. But I'm going to end this video here and catch you guys in the next one.